Hi guys, if you want to draw a circle around text in Google Docs like this, then let's see how to do it. To circle text in Google Docs, first of all go to the Insert section and then click on Drawing and then click on New option. And now on the drawing tool here, simply click on Shape and then go to Shapes and then from here select the circle, and in the drawing panel simply draw the circle. Now to remove the circle background, simply click on this fill color option and then select transparent. And now the circle is transparent. If you want to make the circle thicker, for that simply click on this border weight option and from here select any size you want. Let's say I want this size. So you can see the circle is thicker now. And if you want to change the circle color, then simply click on this border color option and from here select any color you want. Let's say I want to make the circle color red, so I'll simply select the red color, and here you can see I have a red circle now. Now to insert it, simply click on the Save and Close option and the circle will be inserted into your Google Docs page. Now to freely move this circle and place it anywhere you want in your Google Docs page, simply click on it and from these options select In Front of Text option. And now you can drag this circle and place it anywhere you want. You can see. For the example, let's say I want to circle the text, social media's effects. So to circle it, I will simply click on the circle and place it here. And to adjust the circle size, simply click on these dots and drag it according to your requirement. You can see. Here it is. And now you can see your text has been circled. Let's see one more time. For the example, I want to circle this text, creative side. So to circle it, simply go to the Insert section, click on Drawing, and then click on New. And now from the drawing tool, simply click on Shape, and then go to Shapes, and then select the circle. In the drawing panel, draw the circle. Now to remove the circle background, simply click on this fill color option, and then select the option Transparent. And now your circle is transparent. If you want to make the circle thicker, simply click on this border weight option and select the size you want. You can see. And to change the circle color, simply click on this border color option and select the color you want. Once you are done with the customization, simply click on Save and Close option and the circle will be inserted into your Google Docs page. Now to move it freely and place it anywhere you want, simply click on it and select the option In Front of Text. And now to move it, simply click on it and drag it and place it anywhere you want. I want to circle the text, creative side. So to circle it, I will click on the circle and drag it here. And now to adjust the circle size, simply click on this dot icon and drag it according to your requirement. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily draw a circle around text in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.